Races on Masumax! Past the begin is Bradley Island. This time Gongarin. Mighty Maton, Snow Monkey, Rolling Mill. Director's Let Go. Alongside Director's Signature. In the middle portion is Corregidor Island. Now we have Gongarin takes the lead, running by the release. This time Masumax in third. Is Bradley Island is racing in fourth. Mighty Maron in fifth. Snow Monkey in sixth. 7 comes Director's Let Go. Then comes Corregidor Island, Rolling Mill. And Director's Signature is racing in this. This time now takes the lead on the answer is Gongarin. Masumax is watching in third. Bradley Island in fourth. Mighty Maton. Here comes Director's Let Go in fifth. Down in sixth now is Rolling Mill, Snow Monkey, Corregidor Island, and Director's Signature. This time by only Alec. Masumax, Gongarin, Mighty Maton coming closer in fourth, then followed now by Corregidor Island. This time by about 2 lengths. Masumax now in second. Mighty Maton is already outside third. But still this time by about 4 lengths. Masumax, Mighty Maton is already outside is Bradley Island. But still this time by about 5 lengths now. Entering the finish line number 4. This time Masumax, Mighty Maton, Rolling Mill, is Bradley Island, Corregidor Island.
Okay, Bayan Karidista, for our race number 6, your unofficial winner, entry number 4, that's this time with the apprentice jockey M.M. Gonzalez, nasa segundo numero 7, Masumax, tercero, Mighty